Anyways, I wonder what my friends are gonna get here, lol. Hey dude, I have a very important thing to tell you. What is it, Josplifity? Well, you're gonna have to sit down for this. I'm already sitting here. Don't fucking shit. Damn, you're mean. Okay. Jonathan Arbunis? Yes, Joseph Kins. Last night, when we were at the gay strip club? Yeah. I fucked one of the strippers. No, you're joking, right? No, Jonathan Arbunis. I'm not. No, this cannot be happening to me, no! My boyfriend's hitting on me, no! It was so hot, too. Like, I was fucking his butthole, and my balls were slapping against him and shit. It was so fucking hot. No, I can't deal with this, no, fuck you, Joseph! My little ex-boyfriend is not at me. This cannot be happening to me. No. No, this cannot be happening to me, no, this cannot be happening to me right now. This cannot be happening to me. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, sorry, I got a little horny. My dick is really hard. Well, actually, speaking of sex, can I tell you something? Yeah, Jonathan Arbunis. What seems to be the confession? Well, Josplifity came out there and I was saying the 21st century retard, and the little dumb fucking shit told me he cheated on me. No, this is terrible. Who'd he cheat with? A gay stripper. Not even like a classy man, like hunk god like Ken, but he fucked with a whore? Nah, fuck Josplifity. You're gonna have to like divorce him. No, I never thought this would come to divorce, no. Well, it's the only thing left to do, and then you get half of his shit. I get half? You get half, Junior. He gets half of yours, but fuck Joseph. Oh, okay, so you're saying I should steal shit and my shit. Exactly. Commit crimes, felonies. I love committing crimes and shit. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna go divorce Joseph Kins. Wow, I think I need to be the judge for this situation. I can't believe I'm divorcing Jonathan Arbunis. Oh, I'm so sad. He was the best boyfriend ever. I can't believe I'm divorcing him. No. Court is now in session. Alright, guys, how will you plead? Well, Your Honor, since Josplifity cheated on me like a bitch, I think I should get all this stuff, and he doesn't get any of my stuff because he's a bitch. No, dude, no. I'm fucking poor. The only thing I have is my 12-pack of Magnum condoms. Don't take those from me, Daddy. I'm gonna side with the Jonathan Arbunis. Josplifity, you gotta get half of your shit to Jonathan, and he doesn't have to do anything because he's the victim. He's the victim, and you're gonna pay, yeah. I'll swing. Yeah, fuck you, Josplifity. I'm gonna go get myself a new boyfriend. Wow, Jonathan, I can't believe we're together finally. You're just my rebound, bitch. I'm probably gonna break up with you. Well, whatever. I'll enjoy it while it lasts. Josplifity, why are you here, buddy? Well, I gotta give Junior half of my shit. Oh, that's true. What are you gonna give them? Your Magnum Dong condoms. Well, actually, I used all of them. Well, then, what do you have, Joseph? Well, I got the place habits were fucking evil. True. I'll go find something. No, he just sexually assaulted me. We're not in a relationship anymore. Well, did you enjoy it? Yeah. Oh, well, I think it's fine. Which 8-year-old's gonna suck this Bowser? Hello, Jonathan Arbunis, his father. How's it going, baby? Oh, how's it going, my secondary boyfriend, Joseph Kins? It's soon gonna be my secondary husband. Oh, that'd be such an honor. Oh, anyways, my boyfriend, Jonathan Arbunis, just divorced me. Oh, this is terrible, Josplifity Kins. How do I fix this? Well, I gotta give him half my fucking shit, but I'm a poor motherfucking bastard, so I don't have that much stuff. Well, do you have your prized possession, Magnum Dong 12-pack case? No, I used them all. No. Well, go be Joseph Kins. I got something. Oh, okay, Daddy. What is this, Jonathan Arbunis' father? Well, Josplifity, Jonathan Arbunis loves these little CD albums. I don't know why they're fucking gay. Green Day, ew. Well, I actually like Green Day. Why am I even dating you? Anyways, so, you just need to grab one of these, I'm a nation worker, right? Listen to this status quo. And you need to give it to him. Good luck, my boyfriend. Oh, I'm so excited to give it to Jonathan Arbunis. Yeah, it's mine, bitch. It's mine. What am I even saying? Jonathan, fuck your pants. Oh, Joseph, can't you just ride the voice here, you little domestic abuser? Well, fuck you. Is that an Austrian reference? Calm in that band. W. Wow, thank you, Joseph Kins. Anyways, here's my prized possession. Oh my god, is it 21st century Britain? What? Once was lost but never was found. I'm losing what's left of my mind to the 20th century deadline. Can you get the fuck out of the camera in the 21st fucking century deadline? The fuck out of the camera, fucking faggot. Hey, this is Robert DeVos, you're just bullying me. Shut the fuck up. Anyways, so this is my prized possession. I jerk off to the cover every day. I wish it was 2 men, but whatever. It's a vibe album, so I think you should own it. My good lucks. Goodbye forever, Jonathan. No, Joseph Kins, no. But I'm literally an upgrade, Jonathan Arbunis. Why are you crying over that little bitch? Well, he's actually kind of hard. Has a bigger penis. No, Cody Kins has the biggest penis. Well, at least I'm hunkier. No, dude, I got these fucking muscles. Look at me. Yeah. No. I am the hunkiest bastard. Well, whatever. I'm gonna try to get back with Joseph. No. Oh, this is it. I'm leaving Jonathan's house forever. And I'm never coming back. Oh, I remember all the gay orgies. The one-on-one. The one-night stands. Oh, 3 sons. Oh man, so high. Oh, I'll never forget them. Goodbye forever.
Wait, just a kiss.
What do you want, my ex-husband?
Well, I was thinking we should get back together.
But why? Don't you hate me?
Well, I mean, I'm gonna have to forgive you. I don't know what I'd do if I lived without you. You're just so hot.
Oh, does this mean we're getting back together?
We're getting back together, bitch.
Can't wait to snip his nipples.
Bitch, no. What the fuck?
Wow, that's really gay. Oh man, that's really fucking gay.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Get the hell out of here, Cody Dick. I'm so happy.
Why are you happy, Jonathan Harpoon? Are you looking forward to this Cody Dick?
I'm actually looking forward to that Joseph Dick.
What's up, guys? Let's fucking go. Me and Jonathan Harpoon are back together forever. Wait, you're not divorced anymore? No.
What's gonna be happening? We don't know.
Yeah, dude, we back together. Infinite orgies forever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Infinite cuddle waddles.
Yeah.
Infinite kisses.
Yeah. No, I'm so jealous. No.
Well, you always have me, Cody kids. Now pucker up those lips. Wow, this family's really gay.
No, I don't want to divorce.
Okay, we don't have to divorce. Now let's fuck.